Well, when they first come in, it just depends. Some people are very nervous, especially if they are older, maybe out of high school for 10, 15, 20 years. They're afraid to go back to school. And when they first come in, they test. So they have an assessment that they do. And every one of them, I haven't been in school in a long time, or I wasn't good in school. They are so relieved that, oh my gosh, that was so much easier than I thought. Sometimes people will come in and they know they want to go in the trades, but they have different interests. Like some will really want to go into electrical, but they really love refrigeration and climate control. I will have them come in and do a job shadow with each program. And we place them with a student, and it's usually a student in their 5th quarter that's about to graduate. And they can kind of get the feeling of what it's like to be a student. They will actually get to do things as if they are a student and see that, it's okay if you don't know anything about the trade when you first start.